power distribution giant Meralco has been instructed by the Energy Regulatory Commission, or ERC, to defray the bills of their subscribers as the result of their overcollection in monthly bill charges. The Energy Regulatory Commission has ordered them to refund roughly 9.5 billion pesos within a 6-month period to its customers, most of whom are residential subscribers. The full report from our Sheila Natividad.
Consumers can expect some relief on their electricity bills after the Energy Regulatory Commission directed Meralco to refund more than 9.5 billion pesos in overcollected charges. The largest refund rate will go to residential customers, amounting to about 58 centavos per kilowatt hour. This means that a household consuming 200 kilowatt hours a month can expect its electricity bill to be reduced by more than 100 pesos. The ERC also directed Meralco to complete the refund of the overcollected amount to its customers within 6 months. The refund will also appear as a separate line item on customers' monthly electricity bills.
Pinag-aralan natin yung aktwal na nakolekta ng Meralco at kung ano yung revenues lang na dapat na nakolekta niya. So kinumpara ito at nakita na mas mataas yung kanyang nakolekta dahil mas malaki yung kanyang kilowatt hour sales kaysa doon sa ginamit na kilowatt-hour sales noong itinakda ng komisyon.
The ERC said its true-up mechanism is designed to determine whether an electric distribution utility has collected only what it was authorized to charge under its approved distribution rates. In a statement, Meralco said it will comply with the ERC's directive to implement the refund over a 6-month period. The company also explained that the refund covers the difference between its actual weighted average tariff, or AWAT, and its approved distribution tariff. The term AWAT will also appear as the separate line item on customers' electricity bills once the refund begins. Meralco added that its AWAT became higher than the approved tariff due to significantly higher electricity consumption by residential customers compared with other customer classes. The company also said it was Meralco itself that filed the 2 refund applications, not applications for additional collections, in compliance with the ERC's directive.
Kaakibat naman doon sa ating direktibang ipinalabas ay yung pagsusumite ng Meralco ng kanyang monthly reportorial na para malaman natin kung magkano na ang nare-refund at kung talagang nare-refund yung kabuuang amount na 9.5 billion.
Meanwhile, the Senate Committee on Energy is set to resume its hearing on Friday on the proposal to remove system loss charges that are passed on to consumers through their monthly electricity bills. At present, 8 bills have been filed in the Senate seeking the removal of system loss charges. Sheila Natividad for The Nation.